In today's video, I'll be walking through the process of installing and configuring a DHCP service in Ubuntu 20.04 on my Hypercube home lab environment. So I've got a network plugged in already. I'm going to create a new machine with Ubuntu, and I'm going to plug it into the network. According to Ubuntu documentation, the most common DHCP configurations automatically assign each connected device's IP address, net mask, default gateway IP, and which IPs of the DNS to use. And it can moreover specify properties like host name, domain name, time server, and print server. This is mostly beneficial because new devices can be easily integrated into pre-existing network structure, and changes within other network components, such as within the DNS server, can be adjusted for without manual reconfiguration. So to install the DHCP service within our Ubuntu environment, we're going to click the Activities button and open up a new terminal window. To install the service, we're going to run sudo apt install ISC DHCP server. Yes, to continue. Then once that finishes, we should have the service installed. We can go ahead and enter the configuration file, start setting it up. Now that we have the service installed, we can go ahead, open up a new terminal window, and we'll start configuring the files to get the service running. First file we're going to edit is at etc dhcp dhcpd.conf. So by default, this file is going to have a bunch of commented out lines that you can use in templating this file. What I have right here is bare minimum. Took it from the template basically. And if you copy this as is, you should have no problem rerunning what I'm doing here. So that's already configured. There's one other file we have to configure. And in order to do that, first we're going to grab the name of our network interface by running IPA. Mine is ENS3 here. So with that, we're going to go sudo git etc default ISC DHCP server. And then our interface v4, I'm just going to type that exact same name we just got. Save. Alright. Now the last thing to do here is sudo system control and restart the service. Alright. So just to demonstrate here, I'll show you that in my network, I do have DHCP turned off by default. So in our second device, anything we're getting is going to be coming from this one. So first we're going to edit our settings here, go into our wired settings, and change our IPv4 from automatic to manual. The address on the host device will be 192.168.1.1. Then that net mask will be 255.255.255.0. Alright. And on our second device, who will be assigned an IP from that device, I'm going to click up here, going to turn on the network, and having it set to automatic should have it set up just fine. As long as we did this right. Yep, IPv4 address automatically assigned. And that's it.